Hello everybody and welcome to how to install Windows XP onto Oracle VM Virtualbox. And it's a pretty easy thing, but it's very hard getting the key and getting the ISO because you need a 32-bit, no matter if your computer is 64 or 32-bit. So let's begin. So I have downloaded a Windows XP for my personal use, and we'll click new, name whatever you want it, Windows XP tutorial. My computer is 64-bit. Next, great. Next, great. So it's now powered off. Wait, I did a mistake there. Hold up. Let me just Windows XP tutorial. You need to get a 32-bit, not a 64-bit. Next, create. And then you need to go to settings, storage, click empty, and this blue disk. Choose virtual optical disk file. I will leave this file in the description below. You need to download it, so open it here, click OK and start up. I will also leave a key in the description because it's hard getting it. I got one, so we are waiting now because it's trying to load it. Setup is starting Windows. If to set up Windows now, press enter, where you can just go full screen mode, 175, view full screen. So yes, enter, agree, F8, install, NTFS files this system quick. So we're waiting now. So setup is copying files. It will take a while. It's gonna take pretty long because I'm sitting here for about minutes, so it should take pretty long. 33%. It's, yeah, as I said, it's gonna take pretty long. Let me just wait. It's pretty boring. And let me just pause my recording so I'll stick it together. So it's now restarting my computer. Your computer will reboot in 1 second. It downloaded all files. So then you need to power off the machine. Okay. Then go to settings, storage, and when you're a little bit professional, something, remove, yes. Okay, then start. Now it will boot up Microsoft Windows XP. Let me just... an exciting new look. Now the file ASMS will miss, then you need to press OK again. Then go to this, then go to power of the machine again. Go to the settings, storage, then place yellow disk plus, leave empty, empty, then choose the ISO, open, OK, start. And that was a quick explanation. Now it's booting up. Now it's loading, so it's installing Windows. Setup will complete approximately in 39 minutes, so you need to wait for it completely. So I will pause the video and then start it again when it loads up. So now it's gonna ask this thing, so regional and language options. To change the settings, click customize, OK. I will change it now to Germany. Location, where do I live again? I live... apply, okay, and you can just pick whatever you want. Next. Name, I'm gonna just my name, and organization YouTube. Oh wait, I forgot. YouTube. Next is gonna ask for the key. I have it, so we're gonna just boom, make it smaller, then go out of Google, go out of OBS, and then I have the Windows code. Where is my Windows code? Hold up, I need to repair something. So I fixed it. Here's my key. I'm gonna leave it in the description below. So M6TF9 8XQ2M YQK9F 7TBB 2XGG 88, and we press next, and then here we have it. So we're gonna just again, so computer name, let's just XP model XP tutorial. Next, we're not gonna need an administrator password. So wait, how much days it? Yeah, that's right. I'm not here. No, I live here. Okay, now it's loading. It's, installing network and everything. I don't think it's gonna finish very soon. Typical settings, yes, just it's everything. Not copying files, that's the laziest part. So I want to explain something. I just wanted to say thank you everybody who has watched my channel. Probably gonna cry because of this. So this might have been one of the greatest birthday presents in my life. And this means a lot to me. So let's just leave.